Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to add noise into image. For example, I will open this image. Then if you want to add noise, first I will select half of this image object and we can set noise at this area. You can go to filter menu, noise, and then click add noise. So in here you can increase for the amount noise. You can click at this option, increase like this. Okay. After it, you can click OK to apply. Click select and deselect. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to add noise. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.